If you want to add photos to your Polarsteps trips, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, so let's get into it. Alright, so directly from your dashboard, you're going to go ahead and choose a trip. Now, the only time that you can add photos is a trip that you are currently in or a past trip. So you can see over here, the very top one, the pre-iTappy, it says now traveling. So this is my current trip. Now, if you go in here, you will have the option to add a step. So this is where you currently are. So right at the bottom, you'll see there is a timeline, and there's right at the bottom a plan and track. So you're going to go ahead, make sure that it's on track, and make sure that you're tapping the plus button. This is where you currently are. So what's going to happen is you are going to give a name to your step. So we are just going to say step 1. All right, that's awesome. You can also see there's an arrival time and a date, and here you're going to click on the add photos and videos. You can see now you'll have to just give some access. I've now added a photograph right over here. It's me. All right, you can also click on the bar just below that. It says, what have you been up to? And then you can also add top spots and activities. You can also then save it as a draft, or you can go to the top right and click on publish. And this will literally be published. You can see right over here, it is now published. You can now share it to Instagram, Facebook, or a whole bunch more.